Hi guys, based on thumbnail you already knew that this video is about driving 1 watt LED. You might ask me why 1 watt LED. The answer is that brightness to size ratio is very good and that too it is cheap. Before getting into the main video, click on like button and do subscribe. For designing the driver, we must know its maximum voltage rating is 3.3 volts and maximum current rating is 300 milliamps. The maximum current rating indicates that it's the maximum allowable current to flow through the LED. If it exceeds, then the LED gets burnt. Now we can say that we have to drive the LED below or equal to 300 milliamps. The above required function can be brought with our 3.7 volts charging module, or technically tp4056 module. It varies its output voltage to maintain the prefixed current value constant. Current can be controlled by simply varying the R3 resistor or resistor connected to pin number 2. By the way, value of this resistor can be found simply by using this formula or using this chart. Based on the calculations, for 300 milliamps the resistor value found is 4 kilo ohms, but 4.7 kilo ohms resistor is easily available. Now replacing R3 with 4.7 kilo ohms resistor, and soldered the negative terminal of LED to be of the module. For power requirement, gave the 5 volts power supply to the module via micro USB. The LED can be turned on by simply connecting positive pin of the LED to be plus of the module, but for checking the current I am connecting via amp meter. Now the LED is glowing and you can observe the current value in the amp meter is 0.26 amps or 260 milliamps, but not 300 milliamps because we took 4.7 kilo ohms, not 4 kilo ohms. Guys, I think you understood that this video is all about maintaining current constant at prefixed value. I hope you guys found this video informative. If yes, drop a comment.